Welcome to AMS Radio. I'm joined by Rick Bacon, CEO of Aqua Metrology Systems. He will be talking with us about the recent collaboration between AMS and Medora Corporation. It was recently announced that Medora Corporation has selected the AMS THM-100 online analyzer to provide real-time and predictive analytics data to support the design and operation of their spray aeration system more efficiently. The combined offering will thereby save utilities high treatment costs while ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Can you talk a bit about this collaboration and how it came about?
Sure, Carter, thank you. Yes, one of the challenges for water treatment companies in managing their THMs, trilomethanes, is that if they're measuring the THMs leaving the water treatment plant after treatment, that's often a very poor indication of the levels of THMs that will actually exist at regulatory points somewhere out in the distribution network of the water treatment plant. On the other hand, if they wait to measure those levels of THMs at those regulatory points, water that will have been produced several days earlier, they will have filled the distribution network with that water, which could well be out of compliance. So they're essentially trying to manage THMs in the dark. And so we've been talking to several THM treatment technology companies about the benefits they could offer their clients by integrating real-time data and predictive analytics into the operational controls of their treatment systems. And this would ensure that they achieve compliance with regulatory standards at optimal cost. And this is of significant benefit to the water treatment companies in terms of both achieving compliance at optimal cost. And Medora is the first company to have seen the benefits of such an approach for its clients.
How does your company's unique capability to deliver real-time and predictive THM data on both treated and raw water ensure optimal design and operation of aeration systems?
By predicting in real time the quality of the treated water at those regulatory points several days later, the THM-100 can be used to control THM aeration systems to ensure they're treating the water in a reservoir to achieve those goals while not over-treating. And over-treating leads to unnecessarily high energy costs that can be avoided. For raw water, the THM-100's unique ability to predict THM formation potential of this water provides invaluable information because it enables water treatment companies to anticipate those changes in raw water quality, and which could be caused by things like a rain event, and then they can adjust their treatment processes, including aeration, and or the blending of different raw water sources to ensure that the water once treated meets those water quality standards they've been set.
Good. Well, in addition to delivering THM compliance, what are some of the other key operational benefits that an intelligent THM aeration solution would provide a utility?
So an intelligent aeration system delivers significant cost savings, operational cost savings, combined with compliance. So savings of upwards of $100,000 have been achieved by running aeration systems when they're needed. Think of it, it's a bit like running your home air conditioning without a thermostat. Why would you do that and waste all that energy rather than run it when you actually need the air conditioning to be on? And the same with raw water. Many treatment plants have to blend surface water, which contains the precursors of the THMs, with more expensive groundwater that usually is THM precursor free. By predicting the formation potential of the raw water, treatment plants can make maximum use of that surface water and they use their THM aeration capacity to minimize the use of groundwater. That saves costs because groundwater is much more expensive, protects the aquifers in situations where groundwater is scarce, and it ensures at the same time that water quality standards are met.
This all makes a lot of sense, but why should THM removal solutions providers consider embracing the integration of real-time and predictive water quality data into a complete and intelligent THM management solution?
So I'd sort of answer that question with a question. Why would a car manufacturer sell you a car without a speedometer and a fuel economy gauge? their clients want to be sure that they stay within the speed limit and they get to their destination at the lowest possible fuel cost. A car with those features is going to be worth a lot more than one that doesn't have them. And so treatment system vendors can now offer compliance, staying within the speed limit, at the lowest possible cost. Such a system is worth far more to the water treatment plants than a system where no one has any idea of whether it's compliant and whether the system should be turned off or turned down in order to still remain compliant.
Well, this has been very informative. But for those who are listening, how can they learn more?
There are two places to go. One is info@aquametrologysystems.com, and the other is the site of our partner here, Medora, which is info@medoraco.com.
Rick Bacon, thank you for joining us today on AMS Radio.
You're very welcome.